Hello everyone, Lily here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to find nearby friends on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Facebook app over here, and I'll walk you through basically two methods for finding Facebook friends near you. So let's go ahead and press on the three lines on the right hand side of the screen here, and then scroll down a little bit and click on the button that shows nearby friends. In some instances, you might have to scroll down and tap on See More, and then Nearby Friends button will appear. So, if you click on it, then it will show you every one of your friends and their locations, and also, you can zoom into your area and see a variety of people in your area as well as approximately where they might be, so you can see which friends are near you. However, this is only for your existing friends. And if you just want to make new friends in your location, go back out of here, and if you press the Marketplace button, you can now see right here, you can click on it and then just pick anywhere you want. So let's just let Facebook suggest us and then select Apply. This will just show you the residents who have posted in that radius, and then you can simply tap on any one of them, and then you can scroll down and then see the user who posted that. And this would be a fantastic option because all these people have tagged their locations in these posts, and you can add them as your friends. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe.